Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are starting off with our nails already prepped. I have base coat on. I also have a peel off method on below my base coat. But ultimately, if you're going to be doing this, you want to just do base coat and prep really well, which I have a polygel prepping video, and I will link it down below in my description box. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. That was just me putting one more layer of base coat on just so that these nails can be very sturdy and don't pop off while I'm in the middle of doing this lazy girl method. So I went ahead and started off with the color Bean Red. That's my base. And basically, I am dipping my brush in rubbing alcohol. I put a good bead on that full cover tip, and I'm just spreading out that product from sidewall to sidewall. This set is really good for people that don't shape really well and they need help. This method right here is for you. Um, I haven't done this method in a very long time, but me doing this set made me remember why I like doing the full cover method. So I will start doing more of these sets for you guys. So as you can see, I'm just making sure everything is evenly distributed. I didn't want it too thick because I didn't want the nail really thick like that underneath the nail. So I'm just making sure the product is spread out really well, and then there was a good amount of product for my actual nail bed. And then we're just gonna put that on the nail, push it down as much as you can without making all of the product squish out. Don't push it down too hard because it will make all of the product on that nail bed squish all the way out to the point where that color is not there at all. So if you're doing clear, it might be a little bit better, but try not to put too much pressure on there, just enough pressure to make sure there's no bubbles or lifting or anything like that. So I'm just gonna do the same thing for every nail, and I just cured in the lamp. I flash cured in the lamp for about 15 seconds between each nail, and then I went in for a full cure. Um, and also with this method, you want to make sure you flip your nails upside down to get underneath the nail, to make sure underneath the nail is fully cured, because sometimes that polygel underneath the nail is not fully cured, and once you go into file, everything starts to get everywhere and it's really messy. So make sure that you cure for a good amount of time. You can flash cure or you can do a full 60-second cure for each nail. I really hope you guys are enjoying this video. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. You can also do this with shorter nails too. I haven't tried it with shorter nails, but I think I'm gonna do that just so that you guys can see how it would come out. Um, Either way, you can do this method with any full cover tips, and I think that it will help you, especially if you're a beginner. As you can see, I barely pushed that nail on there. I kind of just sat it on my nail bed, and that base coat is going to make it stay, so you don't really need to push it down as if it's like nail glue or something. You just need to slightly press it down just a little bit. I don't even put the pressure on my actual nail bed, like where the polygel is, where my nail bed is. I don't even put my finger there. I just kind of use the free edge and press it onto my nail a little bit, and everything came out really well. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the sticky tacky layer off with some rubbing alcohol. You can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. Sometimes I prefer to use acetone, and actually in this clip I actually did use acetone, not alcohol, but you can use either one to get that sticky tacky layer off. Now I'm finna just go in with my e-file and I'm just going to clean up any product that leaked out on the sides while curing. Um, Once again, I like to use ceramic drill bits because polygel and ceramic just work so well together. Like all the metal ones and stuff that you guys seen inside of that little pouch that has all of my nail bits in it, I don't even touch. I don't even use. I use ceramic all the time, literally. Um, as you can see, it's just so easily just gliding off, and it doesn't take too much off either. And um this bit specifically did not nick me or anything, so you can use this bit or you can just go in with a cuticle bit. I did go in with a cuticle bit after this, but because I am more advanced with using my e-file, I went in with the e-file just so it wouldn't take so long to get any products off. But if you are new, try to use a cuticle bit, or if you're going to use a bit like this that's bigger, just put it on really low. I don't have like the RPMs or whatever. Like my e-file has low, medium, and high. So on this one, I put it on low. Whenever I'm doing my cuticle, I put it on low. I don't put it on anything higher than low because I don't want to nick myself on accident, take my skin off, anything. I don't want to do anything like that or take too much product off. So I make sure I put it on low all the time. So if you're doing your cuticles, make sure it's on low. And as you can see, I'm just taking that small cuticle bit and going around my cuticle area to clean up all of that extra product and just making sure my cuticles are sealed. Now I'm going in with my, I think this is a 60 by 60 or 80 by 80, but you can use 100, 120, 180. It doesn't matter. It's just up to you. I like to use the the lower grain, which is a harder grain because it takes more product off. It does not take me long to file and shape, so it's kind of like a cleanup for me. So here I'm just trying to get that half moon design. So I am just putting it on the second setting and curving my free edge inward, if that makes sense. You can also use this bit to clean underneath the nails a little bit, but because this is a lazy girl method, kind of want to make sure to be careful with that, especially if you're using a color. Now if you're using clear, you can clean underneath the nail if it's too bulky for you, but if you are doing this method and you're using a color, make sure you do your design first and your nails are completely done before going underneath that free edge, especially if you like have a design like I do at the tip of my nose. I don't really care for the color. Like, I'm not trying to preserve the product if it's too thick underneath my nails. But say I was to leave my nails this color, I would not file as much underneath because I don't want it to be like patchy, if that makes sense. I did not add that much product anyway, so I really didn't need to. But sometimes with beginners, you accidentally add too much and you have to go back in and file underneath. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up now. So I'm just going in, doing this deep French. Well, it's not really a deep French, it's a low French, old school French, I would like to call it. And I'm just making sure each nail is fully saturated with this white. So I did have to go in with 2 coats of white because I wanted to make sure that white was really, really solid. As you can see, I love how these nails came out before the design, but now I'm just putting on some Blossom Clear Gel, and I'm putting a big dot of this tan color, just to make a aura effect or a airbrush effect. Um, and I'm just doing this because I am recreating a set. I don't know if I even put the set. I'm gonna put the set on my community tab for you guys so you guys can see which set I decided to recreate. Obviously, I put my own little spin on it, but yeah, I am recreating. This is a part of my recreation series. So yeah, I hope you guys are liking these videos. I am just trying to edit right now. I have so many videos that I've recorded, so I'm just in the middle of editing. I think I want my days to post to be Sunday, either Saturday and Tuesday, or Tuesday and Friday. Not sure which one yet. Let me know what you guys prefer. But I do want to do something in the beginning of the week and then at the end of the week. So just let me know. Now I'm just going in with a very skinny brush, and also with the airbrush effect. And obviously it's not going to come out exactly like an airbrush. It could have. Now if I had shorter nails, it would have came out perfectly, but because these nails are longer, I just had to make it do what it do. And honestly, because this zebra print is going above it, like on top of it, it really didn't matter anyway. But when you're doing that with the clear blossom gel, you want to let it spread. You want it to give time to spread, because if you cure right away, it's not going to give that spreading effect. It's not going to give the airbrush effect or the aura effect, if that makes sense. I don't know about y'all, but I'm loving the cover color that I have at the bottom, like the base color. That bean red is so nice. I really hated the color at first and I never used it. But I have so many bean reds. I was like, let me see how this color looks on my skin tone, and it ate up. I love this color. I think I want to do some French tips on my toes with this color next. Um, we'll see. But this is my first time doing zebra print, honestly, and I feel like I kind of executed it well, but I really want to get that thick zebra print down. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. And this is like brown, so I guess it could pass for tiger stripes as well, but it was supposed to be zebra print. So whatever you want to call it, zebra, tiger, it's supposed to be zebra, but it looks like tiger obviously because of the colors. So yeah, either way, it's a recreation, so it is what it is. But I love how they came out, and I added my own little razzle dazzle with the gold little charms that I did. These came out so good, and I love how they came out. You guys will see the angles at the end. Duh. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on if you have not. I did just recently see that 100 people shared my videos, period, altogether. So it's like, it makes me feel so good that you guys share my videos, and my videos are helpful enough to share them. So just please keep sharing them. This thumbnail is just eating down. Like, this French tip, y'all. Let me know how you guys feel down below. I know it's a lot of haters of duck nails on my page, but I love duck nails, you guys. Like, I can't help it. Duck nails look so good on my hands. Square nails look bad now. I like almond shaped on my nails. Stiletto I've never tried, but I feel like I have like chunky hands, if that makes sense. Like, my hands are wide, my fingers are wide, so I just feel like my hands would look so stupid with stiletto. But almond is nice. Shorties, obviously I like shorties. And duck nails, like, those are the shapes for me. I'm so sorry. I know you guys hate it, but the thing is, you guys can ask for different shapes of nails, shapes and sizes, like the length and all of that. If you guys are looking for a specific type of nail set, and you wanted a certain length, just comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see so that I can put it out there. A lot of the time I do longer nails so that I can do more designs, but if you guys want to get out, like if you guys want me to get out some shorter sets, let me know. If you guys want almond, let me know. Stiletto, someone asked for stiletto, so I'm doing stiletto next. But stiletto is not really something that I like to do, but I will do it if you guys request it. So just let me know. I'm here for you guys. This is for you guys, okay? Even though, because if leave it up to me, I'm gonna keep doing duck nails. I promise you. So just comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see. I am using these gold spikes. Look at this nail. Like, you guys, I can't even talk. Look at my nails. These are so good. Anyways, I went ahead and added some stars and some gold spikes, and it just brought everything right on together. Adding some cuticle oil, and of course you guys are going to see those angles because it wouldn't be a SHAENAILEDITT video without those angles. Those angles. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down below of these nails, and stay tuned for the next clip when we get those angles in. Also, you guys, I did want to show you guys the underneaths of my nails. This is how they look. Not too thick, great thickness. All right, here's those ankles, bookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you guys like this set. It's giving stripper vibes, in my opinion. These are some nails that some strippers need. Or even like 90s, or if I was going to like a cowboy party, I would definitely get my nails like this, something like that. You know, it's giving cowboy with the stars to me. I don't know, it's really crazy. Anyways, let me know what you guys think down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.